Hi everyone, welcome back to Cheese Makeup channel. This is Jaya, and in this video you're going to see my favorite vitamin C's of 2025. My Tamil viewers will be a bit confused like why I'm talking in English. This video is going to be in English. Hereafter I will be making a mixture of English and Tamil videos. So there are Tamil subtitles, so you can turn on the subtitles and watch this video. So what are all the amazing vitamin C serums featured in this video? To see that, don't forget to subscribe, like, a small hype button for me to reach more people. Now, let's start the video. The first one is the Foxtail Vitamin C Brightening Serums. This is the first one I tried in 2025. So this has 15% L-ascorbic acid and vitamin E. So the packaging, the first thing when I received the product, the packaging was amazing. This is an airless packaging, and by this packaging, the vitamin C does not go potent, quicker. So this kind of packaging really helps in saving our money, because the easier it gets potent, we have to throw the product. So the packaging, so the first thing I would tell, the fact packaging is number one. I love Alice packaging for vitamin C. This clearly means that they care about the customers. That's why. Okay, the next thing is the consistency is kind of like a cream. It's not like a serum. And which was the first thing that I noticed. And this vitamin C, I took about 3 weeks and I started getting results in 2 weeks itself. It started brightening my skin, it started reducing my acne marks. Even now I have acne marks. So yeah, so this I was trying this in the start of 2025 and it was amazing. Seriously, a very, very good vitamin C. So if you're someone who wants to start, it's nice. It's a nice beginner vitamin C. It gives a very subtle, beautiful glow, a very subtle glow, I would say. And the brightening aspect is very nice, and it definitely reduces acne marks. I don't have much pigmentation. At that time I had acne marks and it definitely reduced it. I started to see results in 2 weeks itself, which is great. So I really like it. It's a very, very good vitamin C. It will last for you, definitely, because of the packaging. So it's a very good thing, because vitamin C's, even though they're amazing, if the packaging is bad, you won't be able to use the product. So this is really good. So it's a very, very good vitamin C. Next one is the Conscious Chemist vitamin C. So these brands that I am sharing with you now, a few I have heard from people, a few I had requests to try and see. So yeah, Conscious Chemist. This is the vitamin C skin booster, collagen boosting radiance serum. So this, again, another Alice packaging. I'm so glad that companies are getting to know that you have to put, certain serums have to be in certain packaging. So that's really great. So Alice packaging, so awesome. Obviously it won't get potent quicker, and it has 10% vitamin C, peptides, and ferulic acid. Now ferulic acid and vitamin C are a great combination, and it has 10% vitamin C. This is a great vitamin C if you are a beginner. Like, you're gonna start with vitamin C. This is the first time you're getting into skincare. This will be a good budget, good vitamin C for you to try. And as well as, because of the packaging, it's going to really help you to, initially you slowly, add. Not like you do it like every other day. You would slowly add. At that time, it should not get put in. So the packaging also will help you. So for a beginner, this is a very good vitamin C. It's going to give you a very subtle, glow. It obviously takes a little bit time to reduce acne marks and all, but it is a very good beginner friendly vitamin C that you can try. So if you have sensitive skin, this is kind of a vitamin C that won't increase your skin issues. So next is the Deconstruct vitamin C. This is a much highly requested product for me to try. It was requested by my subscribers that please try it. We are hearing good things about it. Yes, it is a good vitamin C. So this is the Deconstruct Vitamin C and Ferulic Acid Serum. This again has a 10% vitamin C and a 0.5% ferulic acid. So this gives a good glow. It's not a subtle glow, it's a good glow. So another thing, the packaging is they've given a dark bottle, which is so important. So the dark bottle is also going to help from the vitamin C getting potent. So it's always important to keep vitamin C's in the packaging. I always keep it in the inside the box itself so they don't get potent. So yes, this is another good glow giving vitamin C, and it acts a bit faster compared to other the vitamin C's, the 10% conscious chemist one, and it obviously reduces the pigmentation and acne marks. So this really gives a good glow. So if you're someone who loves glow and loves brightening effects, this is a really good vitamin C. Another beginner friendly vitamin C. So I usually use vitamin C at night, and I follow it up with a moisturizer, and in the morning the whole day, even if I use my moisturizer, if I don't do other skincare things also, my skin will be nice and glowy, and that's because of these really good vitamin C's. And then we have the stronger ones. That is the 23% vitamin C from Plix. This is their Guava Glow Dewy Serum, which has 23% vitamin C, and they have hyaluronic acid, and they have pentamin. Like 23% was my first time trying, and I've even made a review of this because this is the fabulous vitamin C. If you're someone who has tried 10%, 15%, and you want to like move on to the next, this is your game. Like, this is amazing. Oh god, this gives you that amazing glow. Like, you don't do skincare for 3 days, also you have that glowing beautiful face even if you don't do skincare in the morning, and it just looks so beautiful, and it definitely, I could say, it brightens my face so well compared to other vitamin C's. Like, wow, that brightening effect. That's amazing. It took my tan off. Like, it reduced my tan, which is amazing. I've like, usually tan, there are other products that do that, but this one reduces tan. Like, wow, such, like, I know I'm like wowing this product. Seriously, it's a wow vitamin C. Sorry, vitamin C for me. This is amazing. And for the budget, seriously, for 23%, the amount you pay and the quality you get, like, wow. Another thing, packaging is another issue, but still I would tell it did not go potent easily because I was using this really well. I was even using it on my hands and legs because it was hands and legs, it took a lot of time, but it reduced the tan a little bit, but the face and neck, bang on. This was an amazing vitamin C serum, and this is actually my third bottle, I think. And then my recent, like, while the year was getting close, like November, to finish, I wanted to try this Korean vitamin C. I've been trying a lot of Korean skincare, so I wanted to try this Korean vitamin C, which people are raving about. I was like, okay, we are going to try this. This was available only in Tira. It was not available anywhere else. This is the 24, the 24 pure vitamin C C24 serum. It has collagen, it has Sika complex, it has all the ingredients that are amazing for an anti-aging vitamin C. I would call this an anti-aging because it made my skin so plumpy, so glowy. Like, 24% really gives you that crazy glow. When you apply it, you'll feel a little bit of warmth in your skin, but then that goes away, and it definitely is much quicker in reducing, acne marks, and quicker in giving the brightening effect and the glow. Oh god, the brightening and glow, the utmost percentage It's amazing, and the ingredients that it has along with it really helps to plump up your skin. I really love it. This obviously we are hearing that Korean skincare products are amazing. Definitely amazing. It is so good. So if you are like an expert in vitamin C's, if you've tried everything, finally this is where you'll end up with. These two serums are just amazing. Just fabulous. You'll get the most of the vitamin C, and I just love it. So vitamin C is one of my favorite ingredient for skincare. That glow that you get is from the vitamin C's that I have. That's the glow that it gives. Even if I don't wear makeup, my face is this glowy. So these are my favorite vitamin C's that I absolutely love. So I've showed you guys from the beginners to the really advanced vitamin C's. So hope you guys like my selection. Definitely try it out. I'll put the links here, or you can even find the links during the video. So hope you guys try it. Hope you guys like it. And in the best of 2026 series, we have even more videos coming, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, hope you guys and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. இருங்க இருங்க, எங்கே போகிறீங்க? இந்த 2 வீடியோஸும் கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும். கிளிக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள்.